spicy. It's December, the holidays are around the corner, and you already know it. I have Nürburgring license merged for you with additional 10% off if you use code Misha Xmas25 on checkout on Nürburgring.com. From holiday sweaters with Nürburgring design in merino wool in different colors, Nürburgring books that I have helped to co-write, socks, and also, as of recent, we have calendars for 2026. The first couple of hundred of them come signed by me, and some of them contain also very interesting and exclusive giveaway items, such taxi lab with, not with this car, but another one that we will be unveiling soon for next year, and maybe the Civic, maybe the Mustang, who knows, and a couple of other things. Anyway, head over to Nürburgring.com and now enjoy the rest of the video. So this car, it took me like 3 hours to lap it because I was very looking forward to experience this 1.6 8-valve with about like 140 something horsepower from a Saxo or Peugeot. I mean, potato. It's or pomme de terre, like you say in French, obviously. Yeah. So it's a 106 with a couple of mods, as mentioned, engine swap. It has different tires, etc. Has different upgraded brakes, but to be honest, with 900 horsepower, sorry, not horsepower, imagine 900 horsepower in this, that would be wild. 900 kilos or something, you really do not need a lot. Everything is also light, all the plastic windows, all the plastic windows, bucket seats, shifter, everything works. And it was really amazing. So did I miss any other like mods? I have like here like what's it called, my notes. We have D2 suspension, everything's like Powerflex bushings. Yeah, that's kind of mostly it. It has a spoiler, it's very important. Yeah, definitely. So, and spoiler actually it didn't spoil the fun. It was actually very nice. Unfortunately, we did not have much traffic, and the traffic that we had behaved erratically, but I guess for that you need to watch the lap. So I definitely enjoyed to drive something low weight, although a bit low powered. I think if I would have to summarize it, the car needs a bit like 30 horsepower more or something, between 30 to 50. 50 would be absolutely top, but everything else was very nice. Proper track tool, and probably doesn't cost anything to run. With this weight, I mean, I drove off with like quarter of a tank in it, even less than a quarter, and no worries. Try to do it with the modern BMW, and you're gonna stop halfway through the lap. Anyway, enough side talking, enjoy the lap. Alright, I made it. It took me, I don't know where I'm gonna put this, well, underneath myself, hopefully it will stay there nicely. It took me about 3 hours to do the lap, because first time I went out, realized I forgot my lap ticket in the car from yesterday. And then they closed the track right after, so I've been waiting like 2.5–3 hours to do a lap in this, so it better be worth it, but I'm sure it will be. Alright, let's unleash 100 something horsepower. No ABS, no EC. Just vibes. Okay, 6.5. That was underwhelming, but everything else was very overwhelming, especially the little overtake we had with the GL something CBD Mustang behind us. I'm loving it. The lightweight cars are great, and I'm super sad that the yellow is here, because the first part of the track where it goes downhill, lots of twisties, you can use it nicely to warm up the tires, and you do not need a lot of horsepower here to have fun. You can be with something like this versus supercar and still stay on them, because it's really about the agility, the first part of the track. And we have been robbed from the fun. But hey, whatever happens, everything happens for a reason, so who knows what maybe would have happened, aside from fun. So, any more yellow flags? Here we go. Alrighty, so previously someone spilled oil all the way from here till Foxhole. So maybe this is what the yellow flag is for, that everyone will just slow down. Unless, who knows, because yeah, you have here, oh, is that one more oil spill? Maybe, I mean, it's a E30 after all. Off we go. Always spicy. Double downshift. Oh, someone went in the gravel here. Shock. Off we go. This is definitely one of the cars where I'm happy I'm not having a passenger because of extra weight. Nobody there, like no other traffic, because these kind of cars you really want to have someone to play with. Oh yeah, you cannot have everything in life. Yeah, so what do I think about the car? I don't know if you can hear me, but the tires are not the grippiest. But they still offer lots of fun because you can do a bit of extra rotation, but when you want to have grip, it's not there. Flat, 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 flat. I love these cars, man. They're really cool. The Ford is a bit crunchy. Interesting seeing the track completely to ourselves. Flat, 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 flat. 110 on the entry. Not too bad. We found traffic. Woohoo! Found some traffic. Rental car, yay! You can tell it by the license plate combination. Now we chill on a long straight. Bring it flat. I don't know if we should upshift. Probably not. So how's your day been? Are you having fun? Should have stayed flat, but yeah, first lap with the car. Don't want to overdo it. some spicy cars behind us. Are they friends or are they fighting? Oh man. I think there when I wanted to let them pass in Brunchen, before Brunchen, because I saw like Lambo all of a sudden going completely to the right out of the mirror, but then he was, yeah, not really on it anymore, I guess. I don't know, it was kind of weird. Yeah, overall, love the lap, kinda, minus the yellow. It was kind of weird. We had like no traffic, and the traffic that we had was kind of behaving interestingly. So, but well, I hope you guys enjoyed the lap. I have. It just like this whole Lambo situation was a bit giving weird vibes, and those two Porsches, like, I think being mad at him. Don't know. What do you think of it? Because I didn't see much what was happening behind me when it was happening, other than I saw them, I moved over, nobody came, then I see them like panicking, so oh well.